Welcome back, guys. CryptoFly channel. Today, I would like to talk about intraday trades and some simple model with two triggers what you can use during the trading day. Let's dive in. First of all, guys, you need to turn on the session indicators. So I use FX market sessions. You can adjust by color. I just use now by default, of course, but on the gray tab on the market trading view, I'm gonna use totally another colors, but to not waste the time with the settings, right? I just showed you by default. If you use the dark tab, of course, it will be much better visualization. This model, I use time to time intraday. So it means inside a trading session day. So it's from Asia to the New York. And when it's night, I go to sleep. That's why you have to be realistic, with that model. It's not like juicy sauce, 100% win rate strategy, which you need to try. Guys, no one strategy in the world, no one model in the world will give you the 100% win rates. All the time you will get some stop losses, some take profits. So it's all about a risk management and you have to work in a complex. It's just a small tip how you can work with the two simple triggers. And this model works, what I identify, it works in ranges. Mostly really useful in ranges, but I will show you on 1 hour time frame, 15-minute time frame, 5-minute time frame. Maybe if you will analyze it on, and do the back test on 4 hour time frame, 12 hour time frame, daily, even maybe the weekly, if it works for you, you can use it. So the trigger is the activation of the semi-liquidity, sweeping K levels, some previous day high, previous day low, maybe here can be the previous week low or previous week high. Got it. So previous week high, of course, is much important. And next one is the full fill. Full fill, so it's imbalance. It can be the full fill or 50% of imbalance zone. Fair value gap, how to work and how to identify the fair value gaps. I already posted the video, so maybe a link will be under the description below. Let's say 4 options. We need a timing, time frame. Next one is a session indicator, fair value gap, and some K levels, fourth. Got it. So we need to combine it. Let's identify previous day low. So this was a Joule 6. Previous day low. I recommend you create this one templates for the lines, and we pump it. And you have to understand, if you work on 1 hour time frame, you keep this time frame for the day, like a main time frame. You not move to the 4 hour time frame or 12 time frame. The entries can be, of course, on 5-minute time frame or even a smaller one. So this is a point A. The origin of the move. We get an impulse. On 1 hour time frame. And the price moved to the upside to the point B. So this is going to be the point B. So this high is point B. This is a previous day high. So what do we do next? This is a point A. This is a point B. And like I told you before, we work in the ranges, right? And with the sessions. So the logically, or we break the high, break the structure and going higher, right? But if not, if yes, it's totally another story. If not, the point A will be like a magnet again. But we're not waiting the sweep of this high. We work with the fair value gap. Let's go to the second point. So the fair value gap on 1 hour time frame could be here, this one fair value gap. Another one, tiny one, this one, and the third one. So we got like three fair value gaps on 1 hour time frame. Come on. This one. From all of these time frames, we all of these gaps on 1 hour time frame, we can try open long position, So point A, point B, here is a reaction. Here you could open position, right? But it's kind of risky because we didn't test the 50% here. The stop loss, of course, on the fulfill of fair value gap, less than 1%. And we go straight to the high. Fixation of the profit at the K level trigger. One trigger, second trigger. By my personal opinion here, I couldn't open position. We bounce it. Here's a price drop. and I could open position at this low or at this low. That's why, let's imagine I'm not catch the bottom. I open a position here and the stop loss on the K level, less than 1%. With a target where to fix a profit, it's around this next trigger. So it's around here. Here, 3% profit. Next one, for better entry, of course, you can switch to 15-minute time frame, for example, and find the better entry. For example, here we drop, and of course, you could open position here with a 80% stop loss. But anyway, you know, you work with the 1 hour time frame, 15-minute time frame, 5-minute time frame. You not switch to the higher one. If you decide to work with the 30-minute time frame, the entries can be on the 5-minute time frame and the 3-minute time frame. So you understand the logic, right? And for example, we close our position. What we can see next? So here, it was once again previous day high. This one, and we should break it. Bam. So I'm open a position, could open position here, for example, with a stop loss, and point B could be the trigger. Here I should fix my profit and out of these trades. This is just a great example how you can work with a logical entry using just a 1 hour time frame, 15-minute time frame for better entry, or 5-minute time frame inside a day. But of course, guys, you can get your stop losses. It's more than okay. But we have to form the previous day high, previous day low. If we move in some trend, I not recommend you to use this model. And by end of this video, I create in a notes this cheat list. You can create in a Notion, for example. So you have to mark your date, some asset from trading pair, trigger A, what was the point of your entry, some K level, or for example, the full fill on 1 hour time frame, 4 hour time frame daily. I showed example on 1 hour time frame. Reaction to the A point, strong, weak, or absent. Second one, the target trigger B. It was, in our example, it was like K level. It hits or not, hit, yes. Entry, lower time frame, was on 5-minute time frame or 15-minute time frame, and the range where you could enter it. And the stop on the some K point, and the take profit. It can be the step-by-step, partial, full, or none. And notes some review. Guys, it's simple model, you know, just using the session indicator, just using the some previous day high, previous day low levels, and the full fill on 1 hour time frame. Guys, I hope you like this video. Subscribe channel, hit the like button, hit the notification button. Don't forget to join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.